Hi guys, so today is the day from where we'll start getting into the formulas. That's the bread and butter of Excel. We'll start with the text function, and in this journey we'll cover most of the regular functions or mostly used functions in Excel. So from today we start with the text function. Today, as such, we'll cover upper function. The upper function is one of the magnificent function of text formatting or text transformation. This particular function changes the targeted text into uppercase. Now, empty cases, numeric values, or special characters are recognized as the same. So there is no upper or lower. We know that. We can change only alphabets into upper and lower. There is no upper and lower for numbers or special characters. Yeah. Or even empty spaces. However, the date and number format will be diminished. So if once you change it to upper, it will be recognized as a text rather than date. So let's start with upper function. Syntax for this upper is equal to start with any function, but I'll write the function as of now. It is upper, and within the brackets as an argument, built-in functions have arguments. So within the function, you need to have the text which needs to be converted to upper. Okay. So we have this upper function. Within the upper function, we need to have the text. So a cell reference or a text string is mandatory for conversion into uppercase. You cannot keep the argument empty. So the points to remember while using the upper function is upper function always return the result as text. So whether it is number, whether it is date, it will convert into a text. If the input string is already into uppercase, then it will retrieve the upper case only. So there is no change. If the first argument contains a specific date, the upper function will retain the date serial number. Yeah, we'll see this. We have a lot of examples that I have already incorporated based on my experience. What kind of concerns that you can face which can be changed into upper, and what affects when you change a particular thing into upper, what particular data type into upper. Yeah. So if the first argument contains a specific date, the upper function will return the date serial number in text format, eliminating the date formatting. We'll see this in this date function. The special symbols or punctuations or numericals value have no impact while deploying the upper function. So let's quickly see what upper function does. A simple example, I have this name, iScanAnalyze, which is my channel's name. So iScan is equal to upper. I'll open the bracket. I'll select the text that is supposed to be converted, and I'll close the brackets and I'll press enter. You find that it is converted into uppercase. Yeah. Let's try a text which is already in uppercase. So we'll try this upper. So there you can see there is no change in the text. Let's see a text which is in proper case. So some of them are in small, some of them are in capital letters. So again, I'll say upper. I'll select the text. And see it is converted into iScanAnalyze, which is in uppercase. We'll see this one again. wherein I have added a number in between two words. So I say upper, select the text, close the brackets and say enter. You can see there is no change in number. Okay. Let's come to the date. As we said, the date will be converted into a serial number. So is equal to upper. You'll find that this date is converted into a equivalent serial number. That would be a text value. See this? Yeah. So it is converted into 54580, which is equivalent number for a date value. Yeah. Let's see what it does to this number, which is denoted with a dollar sign. So I'll say upper, close the brackets. So it has no change. But if it would have been a currency, yeah. So let me have one more piece here. And I convert it into a currency. So I'll just make it a currency format, make it a dollar currency format. So do we have a dollar? So I'll make it a rupee. Okay. So this is a rupee. Yeah. So if I try to convert into upper, it will only show the numbers, removing the currency symbol which is available at the start. So if I close the bracket and press enter, you find only the number being converted rather than the symbol which is there for the currency denotation, denomination is removed. Even the decimals and the commas are removed from a currency. Let's try to convert a number. You can see number is intact. But what has happened is it has converted this number into a text because it has got left aligned. So you will always remember that in Excel, text are left aligned and numbers are right aligned. So as soon as this number is converted to text, it automatically gets left aligned. Yeah. Now in this particular text, you can find there are some spaces at the beginning of the text. Yeah, let's try to convert and see what happens if I try to convert this particular data into upper. I close the bracket and say enter. You find the spaces are as it is on the both side. So there is no change in spaces. Neither those get deleted nor those get converted. So space remains space as it is. Same way, this was at the start of the text. You can find there is space at the end of the text. Yeah. So I can just copy this formula from here and paste it here. You'll find the trailing spaces will also have no effect. Yeah. So this is the use of upper formula where you can convert a particular text to uppercase. Yeah. Now I can use this upper formula with multiple other functions. So suppose in this text, I want only eyes and analyze, and I wanted to convert into upper. This is a bit advanced, but I wanted to show you how this is used in conjunction with other formulas. So I'll use upper. And since I need 4 characters from the left, so I'll say left of text comma 4. We'll go through this formula as well in a subsequent chapters. And I'll say from right, I'll require 1, 2, 3, 7 characters. So from this text, from the right, I need 7 characters. Yeah. So as soon as I click enter, what it will do is this formula does is it will take eyes, which is 4 characters from the left, and analyze, which is 7 characters from the right. And it will combine both. Not only it will combine, but it will convert them into an uppercase. So let's enter. You can find this. So 2021 is ignored, wherein from left and right, we have selected some characters. So these are some advanced techniques that I wanted to just give you an idea of how it could be done. Yeah, same way we can use it in if function or any other functions that you require to analyze your data. So that's all about upper function. The only thing that you need to remember is this particular function is used to convert text into uppercase. Hope you understood the formula and the concept behind it. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. We started this journey for 365 days. If you want me to cover any of the topics interested at your end, please comment and let me know the topic so that I can cover it during this journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. And yes, the subscription will help me get motivated or stay motivated to present this kind of free videos and put in that effort to get you the knowledge delivered and also keep me motivated for this entire year to post this kind of informative videos. Thank you so much.